morning viewers, myself Malin Timungpi brings you today's news update. PMAY house constructions under Rongkhang Development Block in West Karbi Anglong district lies incomplete even after 3 years.
The government of India had launched the Prime Minister Awas Yojana in 2015 with the objectives of providing affordable housing for the urban poor of the nation. However, the nexus of corrupt officials and politicians who siphon off large chunk of the funds from the beneficiaries has hampered the success of the scheme. One story of such corruptions depriving a beneficiary is of Arbina Marak, a resident of Surumatikhola under Kopili constituency in West Karbi Anglong district. She was a beneficiary of the PMAY in 2017-18 under Rongkhang Development Block. After receiving a total of rupees 1,10,500 in 2 installments, the constructions of her house began. However, to her disappointment, the house remained incomplete even till today. This incident has brought to light the huge scale of corruptions. The block development officers, junior engineers, Gram Sevak, and other officials of the Rongkhang Block Development Office and the VDC chairman are indulging in the area. The victim has threatened to initiate legal actions against the officials and politicians involved if her house is not completed at the earliest.
পূজাৰ
আগত যি হলে বনাব পূজা পিছত হলে বনাই দিব বুলি কৈ আছে মত আৰু বাথামো নাই থিনো ফেলোৱা নাই মিস্ত্ৰীও নাহে
Nokjir Club lifted the third Karbi Premier League Championship, defeating Malongari Club 2-0 in the final match played at Dongkaching 2 playground on Wednesday.
Nokjir Club clashed with Malongari Club in the final match of the third Karbi Premier League Championship played at Dantaghat Playground on Wednesday. At the end of an exciting 90 minutes, Nokjir Club defeated Malongari Club 2-0 to emerge as a champion. The league was organized by the Dantaghat branch of the Karbi Student Associations in the memory of late Choner Crow and late Baburong P. The winner received a cash prize of rupees 10,000 along with a trophy sponsored by Khonsing Crow, while the runners-up received a cash prize of rupees 5,000 along with trophy sponsored by Songjarong P. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso, VDC Chairman Khosen Tiso attended the final match as a chief guest.
Pini kahai pon la so aputhak nang tu methini nangge ponik tha
lama ne tu pini ye da tuma da pna la singa pon le to ada practice bom hai practice bom ka la no jerte ma pahai nahi kuntum rong sina na pu first ni tunda finally tu ka finally bom kitcheng pe ni tunda itim bitim do ni jali pom non tuma itim ma dun jila final lan.
The 28th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival was held with pomp, gaiety and cultural fervor at the United Karbi Club premises at Volongkomaji on Sunday. The cultural event was graced by several popular personalities like film director Khanjan Kisornath, the Arling Daily Karbi newspaper publishers and editor Tepi Hanse and Dr. Pator Singnar, the first person in Langfair area to achieve a doctorate degree.
Former Assam Chief Minister Prafulla Kumar Mahanta and former Rajya Sabha member Joyashree Goswami Mahanta had graced the last year edition. This time, internationally acclaimed Indian film director Khanjan Kisornath attended the cultural event. Khanjan Kisornath is a new generation filmmaker from India. He did his master degree in mass communications from Guwahati University and did filmmaking from Z Institute of Media Arts, Mumbai. Nath has directed the Karbi movies Kachichini 2, A Boy with a Gun, and a short film Aroy, Cage, which have been screened in several national as well as international film festivals around the world and won applause and appreciation. Nath will be doing his PhD in Sabina Lun, the Karbi Ramayana. Other famous personalities who attended the cultural event are T.P. Hanse and Dr. Pator Singnar. T.P. Hanse is the founder cum editor of the Arling Daily, the first daily newspaper in Karbi Anglong, and also the first daily newspaper of any indigenous tribe of Northeast India. Dr. Pator Singnar is the first person in the entire Langfair area to obtain a doctorate degree. The yearly cultural event was also attended by a huge gathering.
Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.